if you've been following all of the drills that we do the thumb flips, and then we do the up and down, the body flips. So we go from head, back, underleg, ground. It's somewhere on Life. You can find that video if you're not familiar with it. Now, to up the ante, what I want you to try is popping each of those flips. So it's flip head catch, but you can pop it back up before you catch it. Same thing with behind the back. Pop it up and catch it. Under the leg, you can catch it anywhere you want, but it's also fun to try to catch it where you popped it. The important thing about the pop is not to smash your hand into the baton. You want it to land like an elbow pop does, very softly. So you have to go with the spin of the baton, get your hand rotated in there, and you shouldn't really be able to hear it too much. It shouldn't be smashing your hand. Make sure that you give and you go with the baton for all of those pops. Go ahead and try it.